Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image into your Typeform? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a picture into one of your forms in Typeform anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe running surveys or polling your audience, sometimes you want to add an image next to the questions to help visualize the outcome. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to integrate one of your images or a picture into a Typeform, first right here on the top left, click on Form. Once you've done that, you're going to see all of the forms that you've created in Typeform. You can see I have these 4 right here, and go ahead and choose the one you want to add an image to. So we'll choose this one. Okay, so now we're looking into one of my forms. So you can see I have, looks like 5 different questions, a payment link and a Calendly link. So let's say maybe we want to add an image onto this question right here. So this one is, who country has the spiciest food? Go ahead and update that. What country has the spiciest food? So here you can see the question is a darker gray. So once you've done that, you're going to see these options off here to the right. So we can go ahead and adjust the text, but right down here at the bottom, we can add an image or a video. So let's go ahead and click on the plus icon. Okay, so here you can go ahead and upload an image or a picture from your desktop, or if you want, you can choose from the images that are included with your Typeform right here. Now, once you upload the image, it's going to appear here in my gallery, so that way you can use it in other forms if you want. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just choose an image from Typeform. So we're talking about spicy food. So let's go ahead and just type in spicy and see what it comes up with. Okay, so you can see there's quite a few choices. This one looks pretty cool. So I'll just click on that. Okay, you can see it adds it into the form. So let me go ahead and close it. Okay, so now my form asks what country has the spiciest food, and it shows an image of a lot of chilies, and now they can go ahead and choose. So now you can go ahead and switch over into another question and just do the same thing. All right, once you've added in the pictures into your Typeform and you're ready, don't forget to click on publish. All right, once it's published, then that image is going to show up each time this Typeform is used. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a picture or an image into your Typeform, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.